Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download files from GitHub. So first things first, you're going to of course head over to github.com and then you're going to make sure that you're logged in or signed up to an account. Now from here, you're just going to pull up the repository that you want to download a file from. So I have my repository already open right here. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to select any of the file that you want to download and then you're going to head on the period or the dot on your keyboard. So I'm just going to hit on period right there and it will take us to this web editor page. Now we're just going to wait for this to load. Now, from the GitHub editor page, we're just going to look for the file that we want to download. I'm going to hit on test right here. And then you can see all of the files that we have in our folder available. I'm going to click on any of the file that I want to download. So for example, I want to download this for YouTube tutorial file. I'm just going to hit on right click for my mouse. And then from there, I'm just going to click on download right here. And then as you can see here, this file is being downloaded and now it's done. And that's it. That is how you can download files from GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.